Welcome back, guys. Welcome to another daily market recap. And today we are green on 2 out of 2 trades and 2 out of 2 stocks. So yeah, let's get into it. Today, my P&L $13.07. Honestly, I thought it was going to be a bit of a better trade on BNBX, but we'll get to that in a minute. As we can see, there's absolutely nothing right now on the scanners. Just very slow, very slow. I'm honestly surprised I was able to take 2 trades today. But my first trade today was on SHMD. God, everything is just not working too well. So we had this first little pull up spike up here, and then we rejected hard. And I was thinking starting to curl back up here, and then I got in at a pullback at, so it kind of, we got up here, we got to this level, and then it started a red candle, and then I was like, okay, well maybe we'll get a pullback here, 1 minute pullback. It was, I mean, it's not really a cup and handle because we didn't double top, but we got halfway up, so it started to curl back up, and I bought at 650 for just maybe a little squeeze, trying to break through this high again. And I got out at 654, so I got what, 6 cents. Yeah, small trade on that. And then it just kind of, it was game over after that. It wasn't gonna do anything. We did have news on it. It was just some AI production thing. I really don't even know. And then BNBX, another stock that just popped and dropped. This one we had a private placement for 58 million bucks. But as we can see, it didn't really do much. This trade, I'm annoyed because I pulled it up and I was watching it. It wasn't really doing anything, and I was slightly hesitant on it just because these private placements have been a bit all over the place. But my first trade ended up being at 735. So we got to squeeze up here. And then kind of the same thing as SHMD. Just like I was looking for a 1 minute pullback, which we ended up not getting. But I got this pullback here, and then as it started to as it kind of based out, I got in at 738, just trying to look to see if we can get a squeeze up through the highs here. We actually got up to 849, so we got a nice move on it. And I got, my first trade was from 735 to 771, and I sold half of 75 shares. And then I sold another half at, well, right as I sold at 771, it kind of started to just deteriorate a little bit. I sold half at 739, and then the rest at like 701 or something like that. So if I sold all 75 shares at 771, that would have been like 27 bucks. Would have been a decent winner. But I sold half because I was like, okay, well, market's slow. Maybe if something is obvious, and this one was at that moment, maybe we'll just get a nice squeeze higher. Which didn't happen, but that's okay. And then as we can see, it just pulls right back to pretty much where it started. It's only gapped up 26% now. Not even. What is it? 28%. So it's, yeah. It's frustrating, but because a lot of the stocks right now, like I said yesterday, it's just everything has been moving like 9 o'clock, and then the open, and then some random time in the middle of the day, which I can't trade. We did have some higher float stocks like FLWS, which isn't really up that much, only 32%. Some meme stocks, AREB. This stock has kind of been just, it worked a little bit in April, and then it's just been a joke. What was another one? Oh, D-Nut. These nuts. Krispy Kreme. I don't know why Krispy Kreme is up. Some random deal, but yeah, that one is 90 million share float, just a no-go, but Yeah, we're seeing some very lame moves right now, but that's okay. So don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. That's gonna be it for me today, and we'll be back tomorrow. Peace.